to this, I'm gonna go to this. Hi guys. Literally just woke up. I mean, just woke up. I just woke up. Today I'm going to get ready to do a coronavirus test. Yes, because I'm traveling and I don't want no hiccups, so I'm doing a test for that reason. I don't want to do it, but I gotta do it. So I need to pick out my clothes that I'm going to wear and get ready for it. I'm not up for it, but I have to be up for it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do my first coronavirus test. Yeah, it's my first. Why am I thinking about whether or not it's my first? It is my first coronavirus test. So I'm going to do that today at the hospital. It's around 6 o'clock and I have to be there before 8 so that I can get it done by 9, which it should be free. Let us cross our finger that it is free still. It should be free before 9, or I have to do the test before 9 because they do the test only at that time. I'm not sure. One out of the two. I also need to go and pick up a package today. And what else do I have to do? Oh, I have to finish my wig that I'm going to wear on my vacation. Well, one of my wigs that I'm going to wear on my vacation. Yeah, but my bones feel, oh yeah. I went hiking yesterday. I didn't vlog because today is actually my first day of vlogging, so I need to see if you guys can fit on this thing that I bought, this tripod thingy that I bought. I thought it would be bigger, but it is so small. So let's just see if it actually fits on there, because it has a phone thingy, so I'm not sure if it's going to fit and sit properly on there. Ooh, it actually works, but it's a little unstable-ish. It does work. So I have arrived at the hospital. I'm here with one of my colleague and friend, Bye Phil. Ni hao. Wow. Not hi, hello. Yeah, so we are about to do the test soon. So we'll see how that goes. We're also here with Shirley, but she went to do something. I don't know what she went to do. We're just here cooling off a little bit, I guess, and then they will do the test after. So we'll check back in when we're about to do the test. Hi, Shirley. Hi. No gag reflex? Can you go to this? I'm going to go to this. Yeah. Say hello, Shirley. Okay. You got this. Good girl. Stretch your tongue out.
Why did you move? Thank you.
So that was it. It is 2 days after doing the coronavirus test, and I just came here to update you guys on what I came to update you guys. Oh, I'm going for the test, but before I go for the test, I wanted to update you guys on the process. So here where I live in China, I knew I said that we would get the test done free, but it was not free. We had to pay 65 yuan for it. It was not a very tedious process. We went there, we couldn't find the place in the beginning, but we found it, and when we found it, it was just a payment, and then we stood in the line and did it. It took about 10 minutes, if that long, to do the whole process. And today we'll be going for the result. We could have went for the result the same day. However, we did not want to go back on the road, to be honest. Today we had an appointment, so we were like, fine, let us just go and do everything at once. So we'll go there first, and then we'll go to our appointment afterwards. So yeah, that's the update. Obviously I don't have corona, because if I had corona they would have come and picked me up already, because it's been actually like 2 days now. The reason why we opt to do this test was because of some we went hiking the other day, Tuesday. We went hiking Tuesday, and when we went to go hiking, there is a service that they offer that you can go via their buses, right? So we went there and we wanted to use their buses to go there. We went there. They basically did not want us to be on the bus, because they asked us for the health code. We do have a health code, so we showed them the health code. Then they asked us, oh, did they do a coronavirus test within the past 14 days? Granted, we did not do any at all, so it was like, oh no, they don't have a coronavirus test done. They did not ask our Chinese colleague for a coronavirus test. They asked us, so obviously you know what that means. So that is one of the reasons why Shaoli said that we should just go and do one, just in case that when we go on our trip, because we are going on a trip, they don't bug us about doing a coronavirus test within the past 14 days. We did call the airport and all of that, and they did say that we do not need it any at all. However, just to be safe, she said that we should just do it. So I'm just coming back from off the road, and from the mere fact that I'm off the road, it must mean that I don't have corona, right? So you know, my test result came back normal. Don't have corona.